ever thought of AI was too expensive or too complicated to learn? What if I told you that you could start learning AI right now without spending a dime? With salary over $130,000 to $117,000, AI and machine learning engineering is one of the hottest jobs out there. Stay tuned because I've got 7 free AI courses that will kickstart your journey into artificial intelligence. Make sure you watch until number 7 because it's a course taken by over 1 million people. You don't want to miss it. All right, let's dive in. First up is Google's machine learning crash course, often just called MLCC. This is Google's fast-paced, practical introduction to machine learning. And the best part is completely free. It's a 15-hour self-study course packed with short animated videos, interactive visualizations, and hands-on coding exercises. You learn fundamental machine learning concepts like linear regression, logistics regression, neural networks, and even introduction to large language models and generative AI in the newest version. This course has been updated to cover modern topics like AutoML and responsible AI, and is designed to be fun and approachable for beginners. There are over 130 interactive exercises, quizzes to test your knowledge, plus little badges you can earn for completion. If you learn by doing, this course is perfect. By the end, you will have a solid grasp of machine learning concepts and be ready to move on to more advanced projects. If you want a hands-on introduction to the core of AI, Google's ML Crash Course is a perfect starting point. Next is a short and sweet course from OpenAI and Deep Learning AI, ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. This one is taught by an AI expert called Andrew Ng, and OpenAI is Fulford, and it's all about using large language models effectively. It's just 1 to 2 hours long. You learn the fundamentals of prompt engineering, basically how to talk to AI so you can get results you want. You see best practice for crafting prompts, chaining prompts, and building more complex results. And using the OpenAI API to make AI do tasks like summarizing tests, transforming tests, and even generating emails automatically. By the end, you know how to build your own simple chatbot using ChatGPT. This course is hands-on. You code in a notebook environment and see immediate results. Don't worry if you're new to coding. Only a basic understanding of Python is recommended. Prompt engineering is one of the hottest AI skills right now, and this course offers it for free, and you get insider knowledge in a practical way. If you want to build cool apps with ChatGPT or just make it work better for you, this is a mistake. Our third recommendation is AI for Everyone, also by Andrew Ng. This one is offered by Coursera, and you can audit it for free. As the name suggests, it's literally for everyone, no programming or math background required. It's a non-technical introduction to AI and explains what AI is, what it can and can't do, how it's used in the real world. In about 6 hours of content, Andrew Ng covers AI terminologies, gives examples of how businesses use AI, and shows you how to identify opportunities to apply AI in your own projects. You learn how to build an AI strategy, what it's like to work with an AI team, and explore big pictures, topics like AI ethics, bias, and its impact on jobs. And to explain things in plain, simple language so it's easy to follow along. This course is fantastic for absolute beginners, especially entrepreneurs, managers, or anyone curious about its impact. It's like an AI 101 for the rest of us. Now let's look at something more comprehensive. Microsoft AI for Beginners. This is a full 12-week curriculum with 24 lessons created by Microsoft Azure Cloud. It's completely free and available online. The curriculum starts with classic, good old-fashioned AI like symbolic reasoning, then moves on into neural networks and deep learning. You practice coding with both TensorFlow and PyTorch, giving you hands-on experience with the 2 most popular AI frameworks. It also covers computer vision, natural language processing, generic algorithms, and even multi-agent systems. Each lesson comes with quizzes, coding labs, and projects you can apply or you've learned right away. Think of it as a college-level intro to AI, but at your own pace. If you're serious about AI and don't mind rolling up your sleeves to code, Microsoft curriculum is a goldmine. Our 5th pick is IBM's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, also on Coursera. This is a short, beginner-friendly course that takes about 10 hours to complete. It explains what AI is, the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, and explores how these technologies are applied in fields like computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. You also learn about cutting-edge topics like generative AI and large language models. What makes this course unique is its focus on AI, business, and society. You will learn how to identify opportunities to apply AI in organizations, how AI can transform industries, and why ethics and governance are also important. It's not just theory. IBM also includes hands-on labs and small projects, so you actually get to experiment with AI tools. This course is great if you want a quick, practical, beginner picture overview of all AI that mixes conceptual knowledge with real-world applications. At number 6, we have Harvard CS50 Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. This is a free online course from Harvard. It's more advanced than the earlier courses. It is best suited for beginners who are comfortable with basic Python. Over 7 weeks, you go deep into the algorithms and concepts behind AI. You explore graph search, optimization, machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. And the best part, it's all hands-on. You code projects like game playing engines, handwriting recognition, and even a simple chatbot. The instructors David Mullard and Brian Yu are fantastic at explaining complex concepts. It's challenging, but at the end, you have real experience building AI programs from scratch. If you want a true Harvard-level education in AI without paying a dime, this course is for you. Finally, we have the elements of AI created by the University of Helsinki. This is one of the most popular AI courses in the world. Over 1 million people have taken it. It's designed for complete beginners, even those with no coding or math background. The course explains what AI is, what AI can and can't do, and its real-world implications. It mixes short readings with interactive exercises and thought experiments, so you understand concepts without needing to program. The whole course takes about 30 hours, but you can go at your own pace. It also explores ethical issues and societal impacts of AI, making it a great course for anyone who wants to understand AI beyond just technology. If you want a gentle introduction to AI that's been trusted by learners worldwide, Elements of AI is perfect. And there we have it. 7 awesome and completely free courses to start your journey into artificial intelligence. If you found this roundup helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more resources on learning tech skills. I've put all the links to these courses in the description, so check those out and start learning AI today. Leave a comment on which course you're most excited about, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.